In this video, I will show you how to blur moving objects in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have your clip in the timeline. Then, go to the Project panel, right-click, hover over New Item and select Adjustment Layer. Keep the settings at default and click OK. This will create an adjustment layer. Drag and drop it onto the layer above your video clip. Make sure its duration matches the length of your video clip. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Look for the blur effect and click the pen tool to create a custom mask around the object you want to blur. If you prefer, you can also use the ellipse or rectangle tool to create a simple mask. Once you have created the mask around the moving object, make sure your playhead is at the start of the clip. Then, in the Effect Controls panel, click the play icon next to the mask settings to track the object throughout the clip. If the mask does not track properly, you can stop the tracking, manually adjust the mask position at the point where it lost track, and then resume tracking. Once the tracking is done, increase the blur amount to your liking. As you can see, the object is now blurred. And that is how you can blur moving objects in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.